In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coil boots on this Volvo S60. These are going to be located on the top part of the engine. Let's get into it. Using a T25 socket, take these screws out. There's one right there. In the back, there's a clamp right here. We're gonna use a 7mm socket. Loosen up that clamp. All right, that's good. And the wire right above it is clipped. It's clipped in right there. Just take that off. And just grab the hose, pick it up, and just leave that out of the way like that. Now, using a T30 socket on this cover, we're going to take all these screws out. Those out. Before we pull this cover off, we're going to take this cover off as well. Use the same T30 socket, take these two screws out. Take those out. And there's a tab on the front, just pull that off. There's one on the back. And that cover pops off. Grab this cover and pull it out of the way. Disconnect the connector for the coil. You can push down on the tab if you need to. Just use a pick. Just get underneath the tab. Slide that off. And we're going to take this bolt out. I'm going to use an 8mm socket. Loosen that up. Pull that bolt out. And grab the coil, and it pulls right out. I'm going to remove the boot off the old one. Just grab the boot, just pull down, just wiggle it back and forth a little bit. There you go, pull that off, pull the spring out, take the new spring, get that started, slide that in the new boot. And push that all the way down. There you go, that's good. Now I take the coil, just a thin coat of dielectric grease on the end. That's good. And slide it down, push it in place, get the bolt started. Snug that down. You can torque that to 7 foot-pounds. And plug the connector in. Now I take this cover, get this lined up. And this cover, attach that, clip it in place. Take all the bolts, get those started. Tighten down the bolts. Slide the tube into the pipe right there and get these bolts started. Right here and right here. Just move the tube so they line up. And snug this down. Now tighten down the tube in the back. And snug that down. And take this wire and clip it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.